In the wild, survival often hinges on your ability to adapt and make the most of the resources at hand. While traditional survival wisdom may focus on common staples like water, shelter, and food, there exists a wealth of lesser-known natural resources that can prove invaluable in wilderness survival scenarios. So we will look at the utilization of unconventional survival resources, focusing on their diverse applications and potential benefits in the wild. Termite-infested firewood. In the world of off-grid living and wilderness survival, termite-infested firewood might initially seem like a liability rather than an asset. However, this seemingly unusable resource can still serve a vital purpose in providing warmth and cooking food. Despite the presence of termites, the cellulose within the wood retains its combustible properties, making it suitable for use as fuel. By carefully monitoring the integrity of the wood and practicing proper fire safety measures, like ensuring adequate ventilation and inspecting for structural weaknesses, individuals can safely harness the energy potential of termite-infested firewood in survival situations. Pine resin. Pine trees, which are very common in many wilderness environments, produce resin, a sticky substance with numerous survival applications. Pine resin is highly flammable, and it can be used as a reliable fire starter even in damp conditions. By collecting resin-rich pine sap from tree wounds or resinous knots, individuals can create effective fire-starting tinder. Additionally, pine resin possesses adhesive properties, making it suitable for repairing gear, sealing wounds, or waterproofing materials like shelters and containers. Its versatility and abundance make pine resin a valuable resource for wilderness survivalists. The cattail root. Cattails, commonly found in wetland areas, offer a ton of survival resources, including their edible roots or rhizomes. The starchy rhizome of cattail plants can be harvested, cleaned, and cooked to provide a nutritious source of carbohydrates in the wild. With their mild flavor and potato-like texture, cattail rhizomes serve as a valuable staple food for foraging. Furthermore, the fibrous leaves and seed heads of cattails can be utilized for weaving mats, baskets, or shelters, enhancing their utility in wilderness living. Moss. Moss, often found in boggy or marshy environments, possesses remarkable absorbent properties that can be leveraged for survival purposes. As a natural sponge, moss can absorb and filter water, making it an essential resource for obtaining potable water in the wild. By collecting and squeezing out the moisture-rich moss, individuals can quench their thirst and replenish their water supplies. Additionally, moss can be used as bedding material or as insulation in shelters to provide warmth and comfort in cold climates. Pine pollen. Pine trees not only provide resin for fire starting, they also produce pollen, a nutrient-rich substance with various health benefits. Pine pollen is high in protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a valuable dietary supplement in survival situations. By collecting and consuming pine pollen, individuals can boost their nutritional intake and support overall health and vitality in the wild. Whether it's sprinkled over meals or blended into smoothies, pine pollen offers a convenient and sustainable source of essential nutrients for wilderness survivalists. Sumac. Sumac, a flowering plant known for its clusters of red berries, harbors untapped survival potential in its tart and tangy fruit. While some species of sumac are toxic, others, such as the staghorn sumac, produce edible berries that can be used to flavor food or brew refreshing beverages. Sumac berries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, providing valuable nutrition and immune support in the wild. By harvesting and drying sumac berries, individuals can create a zesty spice or brew sumac tea, adding a burst of flavor and nutrition to their wilderness diet. Fireweed. Fireweed, a resilient wildflower found in open meadows and along roadsides, offers both sustenance and medicinal properties for wilderness survivalists. The young shoots, leaves, and flowers of the fireweed plant are edible and can be consumed raw or cooked, providing a nutritious source of vitamins and minerals. Additionally, fireweed has been used traditionally as a natural remedy for various ailments, including respiratory issues and digestive discomfort. By incorporating fireweed into their diet and herbal remedies, individuals can bolster their health and resilience in the wild. Burdock root. Burdock, a common weed with large, deep roots, holds significant survival value as a nutrient-rich food source and medicinal plant. The roots of the burdock plant can be harvested, cleaned, and cooked as a vegetable or dried and ground into a powder for use as a coffee substitute. Burdock root is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a valuable addition to the wilderness diet. Furthermore, burdock root has been used in traditional herbal medicine to support digestion, detoxification, and overall well-being. By harnessing the nutritional and medicinal properties of the burdock root, wilderness survivalists can fortify their bodies and minds for the challenges of outdoor living. The utilization of unconventional survival resources offers a testament to nature's abundance and resilience. By expanding their knowledge of natural resources and honing their skills in resourcefulness and adaptability, individuals can thrive in diverse wilderness environments, drawing upon the wealth of treasures that the natural world has to offer. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and check out this video YouTube has selected for you to watch next based on your own viewing history.